नमस्ते। मैं मोहन खासनिस पुणे से बोल रहा हूँ। आज का अपना बूट कैंप डॉक्टर ललित अरोरा जी का जो था वो आज मैंने अटेंड किया और उसमें से बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला। उसके पॉइंट्स मैं अभी दे रहा हूँ, आप ज़रा सुनिए। इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स आर: व्हाट इज सेल्स? In general, people prefer to become chartered accountant, doctor, advocate, or businessman. But no one likes to become salesman because of pre-programming in mindset. Mindsetting is the most important to remove fear of sales. Since in sales, there are three important steps or formulas of sales, that is, discover, connect, and convert. When you do sales, first remember that you are problem solver and not product or service seller. You will require to remove negativity and accept positivity. First of all, know your why. Whose why is clear will get clear ideas and thereby good results. Purpose of business should be clear. Purpose must be above the earning of money. When you are asked to write mind blowing points or unique secret codes, it is just a technique of NLP. Job mentality and business mentalities are different, and one should develop the business mentality to become owner and not employee. Investment in business and within yourself is must. Businessman becomes successful because he takes quick decision and implement the same. Learn from failures and celebrate your successes. Think fears of sales is Thinking fears of sales is common. It is okay and can be removed by constant practice. Negative beliefs can be replaced with positive statements by practice. In sales, important mantra is you are helping, providing values rather than taking money. By this attitude, you can remove your sales fear. Business success formula is mindset, affirmation, and goal setting. First, find your target audience, and that area only you be active, then you get good results. Don't sell every time your products or services. Many times give knowledge, information, or entertainment, and in between you sell your product or services. Remember the following sentences forever. जब तक जिंदा हूँ तब तक प्रैक्टिस करूँगा, जब जागो तब सवेरा। भगवान भी जब धरती पर आते हैं तो सीखते हैं। यात्रा शुरू करने के लिए वेट मत करो, आज से ही शुरू करो। मुझे आता नहीं कुछ तो मुझे सीखना ही पड़ेगा। जो आप सोच सकते हो वो कर सकते हो। कुछ कमाने के लिए खोना भी पड़ता है। धन्यवाद।